SMTP email error 453. How to resolve, solved. Warmy blog. SMTP errors can seriously disrupt email communications, affecting both personal and business interactions and posing significant technical challenges. SMTP error 453 typically appears as 453 too many recipients received this hour, indicating a temporary limit to prevent spamming, severely impacting email delivery and sender reputation. This error occurs when too many emails are sent within a short period, exceeding the provider-imposed limits intended to prevent spam and maintain server integrity. Consequences of SMTP error 453 include delayed email delivery, potential blacklisting, operational disruptions in business, and increased administrative efforts to resolve the issue. Common causes include exceeding sending rate limits, bulk email campaigns, inadequate account settings, spam filter triggers, misconfigured email clients, and automated email scripts or bots. For Gmail users, check and adjust sending limits in your Google account dashboard. Review and modify filter settings to prevent mislabeling emails as spam. For Outlook users, manage sending settings and contact support for adjustments if necessary, especially when increased limits are justified by business growth or marketing. For Yahoo users, check sending limits in the account settings and request a review if higher limits are needed for legitimate email activities. For other email providers, adjust email settings according to terms of service and contact customer support for guidance on error resolutions and limit adjustments. Email warm-up is crucial for establishing a positive reputation with ISPs, gradually increasing email volume to avoid being marked as spam. Warmy.io helps prevent SMTP error 453 by automating the email warm-up process, providing tools for deliverability checks, blacklist status, and email authentication settings, along with expert consultation. By understanding the causes and adhering to the solutions provided for Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, users can manage SMTP error 453 effectively. Using tools like Warmy.io for email warm-up and settings optimization can further enhance email delivery success. Just a friendly reminder as you exit, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay connected with our upcoming releases.